What's going on YouTube? We have the fucking Hurricanes and the Canadiens. It is game 3 of the Stanley Cup playoffs. Here we fucking go.
Just come in, you absorb the energy as the visiting team. Over the line.
Oh yeah, it's a tie series. Okay.
No shots yet.
It's a tie series. At least this series is going good. Unlike what the fucking Golden Knights is doing to the Avalanche. Fucking Golden Knights is whooping the dog shit out of the Avalanche. It's like 3-0 over there.
In the postseason, the centering pass to Justice Bear.
Ooh, Hurricanes, wake your ass up.
Generates the first goal of game 3. And they do exactly what you hope and expect. They win the battles from in deep. Get a little bit of a fortunate break as Jankowski's trying to put this to the net. It hits off Valeno, or rather Carrier in front, and then right onto the tape. Gostisbehere off the post and in. No chance at all for Dobish. But that is, quite frankly, Chris, the Carolina
You gotta be quicker than that, goalie. You gotta be quicker than that.
Keep the top line for Montreal. Suzuki digging in, curls inside the line, feeds it back. It's Carrier back.
Oh my fucking God.
With the tip, stopped by Anderson. In behind the net, a centering pass for Stahl, picked off. Newhook trying to get away. Working against Nikishin. And Nikishin comes back to...
He was about to hit him with a nice little chip move.
Evans steals the puck. Gets it to Davidoff.
1-1. 1-1. 1-1. Look like this is going to be another good game.
Great work down low by Evans, and then Davidoff tape to tape. Let your instincts take over. No hesitation. Watch how quickly gets it set. Quick little wrister up and over the glove, between the glove and the head. Look at how little room there was for him to hit there, and he did exactly that. Quick release. Lots on that one. Matheson
had the response for Canadiens here in the first place.
Off the draw, Carolina.
That was clean.
Possession of the puck.
How the dude just fell on his knees and got back up. Another score? Oh my God. Oh my fucking God.
Rebound. And it is Taylor
Again,
Hall
2-1.
with a quick response for Carolina. Fans are excited. This is what Carolina does. They just keep the puck open. There's a play that just
Carolina, y'all gonna get okay.
You can see Anderson misses his
Carolina done heard that shit talking in game 1. These motherfuckers done tighten up now.
And Chris was mentioning before, this line has not had many chances at all after having a great first 2 rounds. And it gets by Hudson and back the other way. Carolina might have a break. It's Svechnikov.
Good save.
By Dobish. Svechnikov gets his own rebound.
Whew.
They're playing much more like the Hurricanes of this season. And he's got to be pretty happy with that. They have a 2-1 lead, and they have the power play for just under a minute to start the second period. Here's Gostisbehere kicking it back. It'll be Nick Ehlers to the
all the way
line and through, and Ehlers stopped by Dobish.
I'm about to say all the way is crazy.
Surprise! Nick gives it to Suzuki. Back to the line. Really gets a touch for Caulfield, and whips the shot. Rebound, and that was Struble in front, getting a rebound chance for Montreal. Stahl out there in a penalty-killing role, along with Jankowski. Pretty big wingspan here for...
Ooh, good pass. Good fucking pass and play. All the way. Just straight through the defense. 2-2, 2-2.
Love this. We've had so much problems on the entry when you go to the flank and then try to stop. Instead, take what they give you. Darts through the middle. It's Hudson using his speed, and then look, just takes off through.
Good shit.
Stop. Chatfield overplays. Now you've got a 2-on-1. Just a beautiful play by Caulfield. You know, for Freddie Anderson, you have to respect the shot of Caulfield to the outside. He made it look like he was going to shoot for a second. Caulfield loose on the far side, and now the other way. Here's an odd man.
Damn, 3-on-1? And we still missing.
The shots in the middle frame, 5-4 Carolina. And out of the corner, Svechnikov dumped, draws a penalty, still loose, across, blocked by Carrier,
may have saved a goal, but now Montreal will be shorthanded. Canadiens up to 18 block shots here in Game 3. And a nicely worked to Jarvis.
Nope.
Off the post.
Ooh, third period.
For me, it's the odd number games, 1, 3, 5, and if necessary, 7. Well, how does Game 3 turn out? Period number 3 underway, and in a few seconds, Evans and Walker will return. Nice play there, and Struble downhill in front, trying to go back door to Caulfield. Noah Dobson looking for his first Stanley Cup playoff.
Oh, good pass. Ooh! Ooh! Trick both of them dumbass niggas. Ooh, right here. Trick both of them dumbass niggas. Ooh! They didn't know where the damn puck went. They didn't know what the fuck happened. They didn't know what the fuck happened. And good fucking shot. Motherfucker had them in a fucking spinning cycle.
Chris, there was not much of a hesitation, was there, from the Carolina
bench? Oh, what's going on? Coach's challenge for what?
For another angle here that
it would be nice to see the other side of the puck, right?
Yeah.
But
we're going to get that look too.
Okay, so his blade is just barely touching there.
Oh, this is some other shit.
No. If you go another second, then I think this is coming back. Wow, what a momentum swing that is.
After Carolina's coach's challenge, the play was determined to be offside. We have no goal.
Wait, that play was no goal? Wait, what?
Trying to go back door to Caulfield. Noah Dobson looking for his first Stanley Cup playoff.
Wait, what they talking about? What are they talking about? What the fuck? Is it like something they didn't put in the video?
Here he comes.
Because it's not the same thing, right? It's something different.
You see, they're looking for another angle here.
This got to be something different. I'm so confused right now. This is something different. Because the score is still 2-2. Then what the hell happened to the goal? I'm so confused. I'm so confused. Somebody please explain it. Y'all know I'll be watching the games live. I'm so confused. Was that like a whole nother goal? And then what happened to the goal they scored? Like what happened there? Or was that the same goal, just like a different angle or some shit?
Say no icing as Anderson, Texier, back to Matheson. Shot off the post. Matheson rings one up. Dobson rubbed out along the boards, trying to get back to it, and the siren sounds to end regulation time.
Man, we got an OT. Ladies and gentlemen, OT, first one to score and win the game. There has been so many overtimes in this hockey playoff. So many OTs in this playoffs.
Was some criticism that Marty St. Louis didn't shorten the bench for overtime, which is, here's a chance. It's there. Suzuki missing. Got a chance to.
I don't know how this nigga got wide open on.
As Suzuki got in behind, Canadiens almost hit too many men there. Caulfield's pass broken up. And back the other way goes Svechnikov. Dropping it off, man. Suzuki steps
his teammate's sleeping.
Back to the attack comes the
He's sleeping on the pass.
On the left flank. Taken away, swung to the line, kicked in by Matheson. Matheson, and
no goal.
Off the bar and out.
Oh, man. Frederick Anderson closing off, and we've seen Matheson. The chances he's had.
No hook on his strong sides, 4-2, and make it another face-off win, but stolen by Hall in front of Jam. Close call for Taylor Hall. Now Walker can't get it to the net. Newhook didn't see it. Matheson bails him out.
On the move, on the move, on the move. Good attempt to pass.
Alex Newhook's in.
Oh, man. Oh, they going at it in OT for a little minute. Oh, good still. Out of that, 2-on-1. Who lock in? Miss.
I think that turns off the shoulder of Doman.
Hey, these boys playing good ass fucking defense in OT right now. Got 6 minutes left.
Trying to work his way in. Svechnikov looking to center, passing it across Jarvis.
I would like to see a shootout. It's goal. Damn. As soon as I say that shit. As soon as I say, I would like to see a shootout though. I really want to see a shootout in this playoffs. Carolina up 2-1.
In the neutral zone creates this 2 down low, an opportunity at the net. Everybody's back into position, but right here, the aftermath in front. Sebastian Aho in good position. But earlier than that,
man,
had 2 chances to get
look at Hurricane about to make a comeback.
Get control of it on the top of the crease there.
Look at them boys.
And this crowd goes home. The opportunity was there to take the 2-1 lead. Svechnikov, who's had a really tough series so far.
I'm still confused though. Somebody tell me about that other goal that was like not called. Like, what was that? Because it looked, the sequence of it looked like they like cut the video out. Because like that offside looked like it was some whole other shit. I don't know. It just looked at, you know, I was like confused. But anyways, yeah. Hurricanes win this. Yeah.
And
good shit, Hurricanes. Because game 1, y'all motherfucker was looking dog bad, fucking all type of bullshit. But y'all tighten it up. I see.